Today I'm going to teach you how to add a permission set to a Salesforce user. This is essential when you need to grant specific users additional access or capabilities beyond their standard profile settings, whether it's for one person or multiple team members at once. First, look to the upper right corner of your Salesforce screen and click the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down menu, select Setup. This takes you to the main administrative hub where you can manage users, permissions, security settings, and much more. It's the central control panel for your Salesforce org. Now you'll see a quick find box on the left side of the screen. This search tool helps you quickly navigate to specific settings without having to browse through multiple menus. Type permission sets into this box. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the options to match your search. Click on permission sets when it appears in the results. This opens the main permission sets page where you can view all the permission sets that exist in your organization. Here you'll see a list of all available permission sets that have been created to extend user capabilities. Next, click on the specific permission set you want to assign to your user. Each permission set contains a unique combination of permissions and settings, so make sure you're selecting the right one that matches the access level you want to grant. Once you're viewing that permission set, click Manage Assignments. This section shows you which users currently have this permission set assigned and allows you to add or remove assignments. It's where you control who gets these additional permissions. Now click Add Assignments. This action opens a selection screen where you can choose which users should receive this permission set. You'll see a list of users in your organization who don't currently have this permission set assigned. Select the checkbox next to the user or users you want to add. You can assign the permission set to just one person or select multiple users at once, making bulk assignments quick and efficient. Just check the box next to each person who needs access. After making your selections, click Next. This confirms your choices and prepares the system to apply the permission set to those users. Click Assign to finalize the process. This action actually assigns the permission set to the selected users, granting them the additional permissions immediately. Finally, click Done to complete the assignment. Your users now have the permission set applied and can access whatever features or data those permissions enable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.